Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ancient Roman Trading Secrets with General Romulus. That's me, Romulus. This show is brought to you by Backpack Trader. Our goal is to help you become the best version of the backpack trader you can possibly become. So in pursuit of our goal of helping you become a best version of the backpack trader and dispensing some ancient Roman trading secrets, let's show one of those secrets right now that is easy to identify and can allow you to get back to whatever version of backpacking you want to pursue. Okay, S&P 500 has been up in an uptrend, short-term uptrend since the middle of June, so over the past 6 weeks. And now it is in short-term overbought conditions. That's demonstrated by these indicators. See, as it goes up into the high of a couple of days ago, they're all at the upper bands of their overbought situation. That generally means, and this is a generality, that the markets will need some time to work off those overbought conditions in terms and in forms of either a pullback / correction or a consolidative period of time where it kind of goes sideways, like this one over here. However, because the longer-term trend of the market is still to the downside, the risks are higher that it will not just be a consolidation period, it will turn into something a little more difficult and challenging for the bulls. On the other side of that, there's a lot of two sides right now. That's just how it goes sometimes in trading and investing. The other side of that is there was a lot of momentum built up over the short term, not through volume, but simply through price. Volume has been notably absent. But through price alone, there has been a fair amount of momentum that has built up over the last 6+ weeks that could carry the market a bit higher over the short term. However, intermediate term and longer term, that is an entirely different story. Probabilities are still very high that this area of the stock market, which is the middle June period of time, is going to be revisited at some point in the next, let's say, 2 months or less. And it could be revisited to a little bit to the upside or right on it or a little bit to the downside. Okay. And again, this is an ancient Roman trading secret that doesn't take a lot of time to analyze, just a few minutes a day. Where is the stock market in relation to the indicators? What's been kind of going on with volume? How about that, everybody? Good. So is everybody enjoying their summer? I took this picture a few weeks ago in sunny Florida, and there was just enough clouds this summer, after all, to produce this killer rainbow. And what is that rainbow pointing down to? Phenomenal sailboat. My question then to you is, what is your sailboat at the end of the rainbow? Get that in mind. Put that firmly in the front of your thoughts all the time, because we have a special event coming up that you are going to absolutely be hugely benefited from. Here, let me show you what this is all about. This coming Saturday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, my partner Troy and I are going to be hosting you guys. This is not for current Centurions. Current Centurions already know ancient Roman trading secrets, and they already have their sailboats at the end of the rainbows, or they know exactly and precisely how to get to that destination. If you are not a Centurion, then join us. Click on the link right there that you see on your screen right now. So go ahead and click on that link that you see on your screen. It's also at the bottom of the video over there. And join us this coming Saturday. We are going to be hosting a live event. That's right, a live event starting at 2 p.m. Eastern. We are going to teach you how to get organization, trading, investing, financial organization into your life. After all, you're just one trade plan away from getting that sailboat or whatever it is you want at the end of the rainbow. Okay? So join us this coming Saturday, August 6th, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. We will be absolutely thrilled to have you stick with us, and we can show you the benefits of a trade plan. It's also interesting, by the way, is just as the S&P 500 approaches shorter-term overbought conditions, the bond market, which has been a bit of a problem for the stock market from late last year until the middle of June, You can see that's when interest rates kind of hit their peaks, and that's when stocks hit their temporary lows. Interest rates are moving up quite a bit today. Here's the 2-year, that's up a lot. 10 years up a little bit as well. Kind of bouncing off of support areas, as you can see over here, to the left of your screen, and moving a little bit higher. That also doesn't look like a massive ticket to a runaway freight train, but something to watch and keep in mind all the time anyway. Not negatively impacting tech stocks so much today, but if it continues, it certainly will, and that's part of the issues of the current market environment. So they seem to be kind of moving in tandem. The other issue you want to watch for are oil prices. That has been another thorn in the Federal Reserve side, as it is the main driver behind inflation. If oil never went above $45 a barrel, we wouldn't be talking about inflation at all. However, it did go up into the low hundreds, and even after this correction at $93 a barrel, it's still incredibly expensive compared to where it was 6 months ago, 12 months ago, and 2 years ago. So keep an eye on oil prices. They're hovering and getting support at the 200-day moving average. The decline from early June till a few weeks ago was pretty severe. Any further decline, if it is coming, will be grudging and not nearly as dramatic. And as a matter of fact, oil prices might be starting a little bit of a turnaround in here, and not maybe perhaps a run back into the 120 range, but climbing back up into the low 100s over coming weeks. So a common message I get from non-Centurions around the world is the fact that they don't seem to approach the markets with any type of real set of organizational ideas. And that's the advantage of the trade plan. Again, we are hosting a live event Saturday, August 6th. This is not, I repeat, not for my Centurions. This is for the rest of you, people who want to learn how to implement organization and trade plans into your trading and investing regimen. After all, you're just one trade plan away. That's Saturday, August 6th at 2 p.m. Just click the link right there on the top of your screen or below in the little fold right there, and you can register. It's a free event. It's not going to be long. It's a casual gathering, but the information that we can teach you in that gathering will be absolutely critical. It'll change everything about your trading and investing. That you have my commitment. Okay, again, Saturday, August 6th. We look forward to having you with. Hey, one more little ancient Roman trading secret. July, big month on the upside for the major indexes. S&P 500 advanced a little over 9%, and most of the other indexes kind of followed suit. One thing that is incredibly notable, however, is the lack of volume. July was the lowest volume of the entire year. There were even particular days in there, not 4th of July, pre-4th of July holiday days, that represented the lowest volume days of the year. These were up days. This means that while markets were up, there's not a lot of excitement from the larger institutional players out there to go ahead and add a bunch of money to the market. And that is incredibly important over the intermediate and longer term. While rallies can certainly continue under these conditions, sustainability over the intermediate and longer term becomes incredibly challenging, and as a matter of fact, opens the market up and makes it vulnerable and susceptible to something a little adverse, especially if you are of the bullish category. Other than that, quick reminder, our event coming up Saturday, August 6th, 2 p.m. Eastern. Click the link, join us. Hey, it's free, and it's for you. Get organized, get a trade plan, start putting more money into your pocket. And this has been who? That's right, General Romulus. Checking out. I'll see you tomorrow. That's all for now.